Mama.
There you go.
Look at Mama over here.
Ah, is that cool? And Thomas the train. There you go. You got it. You got the foot motion there. He is so cool. Like, let me do it, Dad. I got it. Grandpa's not over there no more. What is that? Now what?
Go get Grandma.
There you go. Push. Push, push, push. He can't. He can't.
He wants to be carried.
Look at those little feet trying. There you go. Come on. He's trying so hard.
He's got that one foot down.
Get it. Get it to go. Dang it. I'm stuck. Oh no.
She will though. She'll grow into it.
Well, and they
Touch.
on the back, they can push it too, make her walk.
Go, Bubba. Yeah. Is that cool? Is that cool?
Grab up to this, James.
Yeah. Push it. Push it, Bubba. There it goes. Yeah.
Now he's driving that train.
There you go. What's he doing?
Hey! Whoa! Now he's doing it.
He's driving that train now.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Go, go, go. You are so cute. James, bring it here.
He's trying to turn it around, Mama.
Got it. Got it. There you go. All right. You are so smart. Don't run into the tree now. Don't run into the tree.
I'm a train. Do what I want.